Where does the Indian Army get its small arms ammunition, the rifle ammunition that are fired out of its battle rifles, its assault rifles, its INSAS rifles? Well, there are two factories that make them. There's one at Varangaon and there's another one at Khadki, both in Maharashtra. But what do those ammunition boxes, those green boxes contain? Now I'm going to show you. This is a box of 7.62 into 51 ammunition, NATO standard M80 ammunition. All the ammunition is packed into cardboard boxes like this one here. You open this, you see 10 rounds of 7.62 by 51 NATO standard M80 rounds. This green box here has 600 of these rounds, 600 of these 7.62 into 51 rounds. This green box here has 800 5.56 into 45 ammunition, again in all these little cardboard boxes. It's almost a universal thing, you know, these cardboard boxes. They haven't changed in decades, possibly since the time of the world wars. And this is what it looks like here. 20 rounds packed so tightly. You can see it here. 20 rounds of 5.56 into 45 INSAS ammunition. Also used in the DRDO's close quarter carbine. This is what it looks like. Come take a closer look at how they are. So you have this box with M80 7.62 into 51 ammunition, and this one with the 5.56 by 45 INSAS and carbine ammunition. And this is what a filled magazine looks like. This one's got 7.62 into 51 ammunition, and this one's got the INSAS 5.56 by 45 NATO carbine and assault rifle ammunition. So this is essentially what we're looking at here. 7.62 51 magazine, 5.56 by 45 magazine. These magazines are special, polymer magazines with metal inserts, very sleek, compact. This is 20 rounds and this one is 30 rounds. This is the INSAS magazine. This one is the Ugram magazine. There you have it. This is essentially how the Indian Army's ammunition looks like. This is what you would see in the courts, in the weapon storage units of the Indian Army. This is how all the ammunition would be stored, essentially in these boxes. Like I said, this is unchanged for decades now, possibly going back to the First World War, almost a century. Ammunition hasn't really changed that much.